back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. We'll keep today's job lead very short, sweet, and to the point. WGU is hiring a financial services assistant, so this is like a customer service role to work remotely from home. Now, this is for my United States folks only. And they are specifically looking for someone to work in their financial aid department. So they are looking for someone to serve as the first point of contact for students, answering both inbound calls and responding to emails from students with general inquiries about funding, tuition payment plans, federal financial aid, and billing of the tuition. So you will have to respond to the student inquiries in a timely manner. So they are looking for someone who has a strong customer service background, who can work with Microsoft Office, Word, Outlook, Teams, Excel, all of those types of things. Someone who can work in a fast-paced environment, who is adaptable to change, who is great with detail and accuracy. Someone who is comfortable working with others over the telephone, who has a clear speaking voice, and someone who can be self-motivated. They do not require you to have a college degree. If you have an associate's degree, they will pay you a little bit more, but only high school diploma or GED is required. The only thing, because you are dealing with federal financial aid, you cannot have any student loans that are in default. You must be in good standing with the Department of Education if you've ever had student loans in your name before. They would like someone who has prior call center experience, but that is not required. Now, as far as pay goes, they pay $17.50 an hour if you do not have a degree, and $18.50 an hour if you have an associate's degree or higher. As always, if there is something specific that you're looking for, please feel free to leave that in the comments below, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.